Hello and welcome to C3 Streamland. So in this short video, we will see how we can subtract two decimal numbers. And here I have two examples. Let's start with a simpler example. But just before we start, it should be, we are assuming that you know how to subtract two numbers together and you also know how borrow works. And you also know that what are the values that we are using for block, plate, rods and cubes. If you do not know, we have written it for a reference. One block is 1 unit, one plate is 0.1, value of one rod is 0.01 and value of one cube is 0.001. So keeping that in mind, let's form the first number 1.367. That means one block, three plates, 1, 2, 3, I will just stack them together, 7 rods, 4 and 3, 7 rods and 6 blocks. And now since we are subtracting, we won't try to form another number, but we will simply try to take away these many cubes, rods, plates and blocks from the existing number. So let's start with cubes. I have 6 cubes with me. I need to take away 5 cubes. There you go. I have 1 cube left. So I can write the number as I can go on with the subtraction. I have 7 rods with me. I need to take away 3. I'm left with 4. I have 3 plates, out of which I need to take away 2 plates. So I am left with 1 plate. And I have 1 block. So let's not forget the decimal point. I have 1 block and I need to take away 1 block from it. So I'm left with none, that is 0. So answer for my question is 0.141. Now let's try a harder example with decimal points or two decimal numbers. Let's form the first decimal number over here, 1.426. 1.4, so 4 plates, 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can see, 2 rods and 6 blocks. Now I need to take away 0.354 from the existing number. Let's start with cubes, 0.004. So I need to subtract 0.006 and 0.004. I take away 4 cubes, that is 0.002. So I'll simply write 2 over here. I can write decimal point over here, so you can see this is 0.002. Now I have 2 rods with me, that means I have 0.02. I need to subtract 0.05. Now using the concept of borrow, I can borrow 1 plate and I can replace it with 10 rods. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And since I have 10 rods with me, I can keep them here and I can put this plate back to my inventory. Now I have 3 plates left with me, just for the records. So I can simply write it. I borrowed 1 plate. So first I had 4 plates, now I have 3. And I gave this plate to replace it with 10 rods. So in total, now I have 12 rods here, right? Now I can easily take away 5 rods. And I do that. And I'm left with 7 rods. So the number for rods is 0.07. And let's continue with plate. I have 3 plates with me and I'm expected to take away 3 plates. So I just put 3 plates back and I'm left with 0. And final, I have 1 block and nothing should be subtracted from it. So I can keep my 1 block over here and write 1 as it is. So my answer for this question is 1.072. And that's how you can carry subtraction, decimal subtraction using base 10 blocks. Thank you.